and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And many of you reacted to last week's video when I mentioned La Conquête du Monde, or the board game that is known as Risk, how life is certainly imitating art. I also talked about the share price appreciation in UK listed defence stocks. That is a theme which is continuing against the backdrop of tariffs and the attempts to redraw legacy country boundaries by force or just by renaming them. Trump tariffs and the will he or won't he politics and casual references to US recession spooking the markets in the US at the start of the week. It also impacted UK listed Clarksons. It is the world's biggest shipbroker. It said that geopolitical turmoil from war and Trump's tearing up of US foreign policy has hurt its revenues. Its share price fell by a fifth on Monday. However, there has been a little bit of a recovery since then, with investors saying that the share price depreciation was oversold. So a little bit about Clarkson's. It has heritage, this company. It was founded in 1852 during the age of sail and then shifted to steamships. It grew to a dominant position in the global shipbroking market in tandem with the burgeoning oil industry and its associated oil tankers. Well, now it's been hit by concerns over the impact of tariffs. It said the rates charged by shipping companies had dropped since the start of 2025. However, let's have a look at the numbers it released in March 2025. Sales still rising just a bit by 3% to £661 million in 2024, while underlying profits edged up to a record £115 million. So, Trumpcession, a movie coming to home screens near you soon. And although last week's Oscars showcased the best of the film industry, the disruption caused by Hollywood's writers and actors strike last year is still being felt by film support business Facilities by ADF. Revenue for 2024, it said, is going to be higher than the previous year, but the 2025 revenue and profits would fall well below market expectations. Now, the company has made a recent acquisition. It's bought Auto-Track Portable Roadways, which is lifting revenues. Its tracks are used in films including Fast and Furious. Well, the board of ADF anticipates that in the second half of full year 2025, the market will provide improved visibility and return to more normal levels of activity, with several blockbusters in the pipeline, including Avengers, Spider-Man, Fantastic Four, and the Daredevil movies, and some high-profile television productions, including The Beatles and a further series of slow horses. Well, the UK stock exchanges are slow and steady. There have been some bright spots, including the share price appreciation of Bellway. Now, this company releases interim results in a fortnight's time on the 25th. Investors are hoping that it will repeat what it said a month ago when it said that it's delivered a strong first half performance in challenging market conditions. Well, I hope the trading conditions aren't too challenging for you. Take care. I'll be back same time next week.